Trash is supposed to be worthless. We throw it away, forget about it. Out of sight, out of mind. But behind every garbage bin is a billion-dollar machine. One that sorts, hauls, buries, and burns waste for profit. The global waste industry is worth over $100 billion and growing fast. Not because we're recycling more, but because we're throwing away more, and big companies are cashing in. Today on Industrial Secrets, we break down how the trash industry actually works, who's making money from your garbage, and why waste might be the most overlooked cash cow in the world. We think of trash as the end of a cycle, but for waste companies, it's the start of a money-making machine. Every piece of trash enters a logistics empire. In the US alone, we generate over 290 million tons of garbage a year. That's nearly 5 pounds per person every day. And someone has to deal with it. Private haulers pick it up. Landfills charge to accept it. Recyclers try to extract value. And incinerators burn it for energy. The companies doing this aren't small. They're giants. Waste Management made over $20 billion last year. Republic Services? Another $15 billion. Together, they dominate curbside pickup, landfills, and recycling across the country. And every time your trash is collected, they get paid. So where's the money? It starts with pickup fees. Cities and businesses pay monthly for removal, $20 per house or thousands for a site. But the real cash is in dumping. Most landfills charge a tipping fee, a price per ton. National average? $60 to $75 per ton. In dense areas, that jumps past $100. Multiply that by millions of tons, and you get billions in disposal revenue. Some trash is recycled or sold. Food waste may be composted. And waste-to-energy plants turn trash into power, sold back to the grid. Every step of the chain makes money. You might think trash is a public service, but most cities outsource it. Private companies handle pickup, recycling, and disposal through decades-long contracts. And landfills? Often privately owned, by the same companies picking up your trash. They get paid twice, to haul it, to bury it. It's vertical integration, and it's profitable. You'd think waste would be shrinking, but it's not. We're on track to hit 3.4 billion tons per year by 2050, up from 2 billion today. Why? More people, more packaging, more disposable everything. Online shopping exploded box and plastic waste. Takeout created mountains of single-use containers. Fast fashion dumps tons of unsold clothes every day. And recycling? It's not a fix-all. Plastics are often contaminated. Paper markets are shrinking. And some recyclables are shipped overseas, where they're still burned or buried. The waste keeps coming, and someone keeps getting paid to take it. Trash is investable. Waste Management and Republic Services are publicly traded, and they've outperformed many flashy startups because garbage doesn't stop. It's stable, essential, and recession-proof. There's also innovation hitting the space. Startups are building. New businesses are being built every day using modern technology, figuring out how to optimize waste to make billions. Business such as AI-powered sorters, trash-to-fuel tech, on-demand micro-haulers for compost and niche waste. There's even landfill mining, recovering metals and real estate value from old dumps. Some cities track waste in real time, optimizing routes and cutting costs. Trash is no longer just garbage. It's data, logistics, infrastructure. So next time you take out the trash, ask yourself, where's this going? And who's getting paid? Because what we see as waste is someone else's recurring revenue stream. Subscribe to Industrial Secrets, and we'll keep breaking down the hidden industries that run the world, $1 billion business at a time.